Hey YouTubers, this is RC Tech Pro Flying, giving you a little example of replacing that motors. I wanted to show you guys how I replaced the motors from the the pods. But first I'm going to show you something that I determined on vibration. So we're going to go ahead and do this test using the Solex app, and we're going to go ahead and test the vibration of each motor. So what I did was I took my phone, which I downloaded one of the apps on the Apple Store, actually the Play Store, sorry, it's an Android phone, and I put some vibrators, insulators on each of the feet. If you notice, they've got rubber, so this way it doesn't pick up sound or actually vibration from the actual flat surface, and it isolates it from that. So I'm going to show you what we do. So on this Solo apps, I'm going to hit motor number 1, which motor number 1 is over here on this side. This is motor number 1, so we're going to see what the vibration is on each of these. So let's go to number 1. We're going to test it, and if you notice on this graph line, it's got very little vibration. Okay, let's go to motor number 2, which is back over here on the back side, right back side, and we're going to hit motor number 2. And look at the graph, and you notice the graph vibration is a little bit heavier because there's a slight vibration coming off of that. Let's go to motor number 3, which is your motor on this corner over here. Okay, and this, you can see this line is just about almost completely flat. I mean, there's basically, we'll do that again. Number 3. Look at that, it's pretty much flat. You can see that line right there, barely any vibration. Okay, and let's go to the last one, which is motor number 4, which is the back here on the back side. Motor number 4, and you can see pretty much it's got some vibration. So I'm going to go backwards 3. Okay, number 3 has got the least of all of them. Number 2, and number 2's got some vibration on that, you can see that. And then we're going to go to number 1. Okay, so the noisiest of all is number 2 has got the noisiest of vibration out of all the motors that are on here. So we're going to go to our next step, and I'm going to show you how to replace those motors, and I may target the one that has the most vibration. So that is number 2, and let's make sure that's what it is. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and go to the assembly part of each pod. So we'll be right back with you. Okay.